Hello, IIT Janta. We have with us Mr. Chaitanya Sangani. What do you think is the USP of your agenda? What do you think is your priority?
Well, right now, the starting statement of my agenda, that is just change it, change it different from what it is right now. So what I feel is the clubs are performing very actively, but the coordination among the clubs is a little rough. A music club can do a very good thing with it. They can have very good rapport with this dance club and all. So that is one thing I would really like to take care of. And then the participation has always been a challenge to the cultural board, getting the people to participate. That will be the priority.
हेलो आईटी जनता, मैं हूँ विजय पार्थ और मेरे साथ हैं इस बार के सीनेट के लिए कैंडिडेट साई दिनेश से पूछते हैं, हाय कैसे हैं?
Hello, भैया.
So what do you think, what changes can we do to our electoral system in the future years to make it more strong?
We need to tell them how much strength the student gymkhana has, that what we can do. They still are not really aware of it, and people just go with the flow, There is still this kind of campaigning going on that vote for this guy and they're done. So we need to tell them what is the importance of an agenda, what do people do, and what is the importance of credentials.
Finally, what do you think is the most important point in your agenda? What do you think is, your money shot?
Well, I just want to improve the mentor-mentee program here, which is there. It is being implemented in a very good way in IIT Kanpur, so I just want to implement it in a better way over here. Students should find perfect mentors with whom they can interact about everything, not just one topic, because they tend to go in one direction and miss the others. So we need to tell them that they need to balance their lives, because that is what IIT teaches us after all.
Well, thank you very much, Sai Dinesh, and best of luck.
Thanks a lot.
Some priority that you have in mind if you come to post?
See, my priorities will be basically starting with the infrastructural work first, so that I can complete that during my tenure, and then focus on and also have the academic board together with me for the academic support, and we'll set the priorities then as we begin the work.
Okay, great. All the best, Bhavin.
हेलो आईआईटी जनता, मेरे साथ है नीलेश राज. What makes you stand out फ्रॉम द रेस्ट ऑफ द क्राउड? क्या आपका एजेंडा है और योर कैंपस पॉपुलैरिटी?
I think it's a blend of the both things. I have a good agenda. I have as compared to the others.
क्या आपके एजेंडा के मेन?
मेरे एजेंडा के 2-3 पॉइंट्स काफी अच्छे हैं. मैंने 2-3 प्रपोजल्स दिए हैं.
Can you elaborate on?
Yeah, exactly. I have a proposal for a research club in the campus. There is no research club. There is no such club which incorporates the participation of professors also.
Yes.
Okay, so that's an initiative. And apart from that, I have also put forward a proposal for the revival of the student media body of IITG, which can come up with initiatives like Insight IITB. If you have heard of it,
No.
Okay, so just you can just log on to that website, insightitb.org, and you can just imagine that we don't have any such kind of thing for our campus, and we need such initiatives to bring the face of IITG to the outer world.
चलिए, थैंक यू नीलेश जी, अपने टाइम के लिए बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. What are you focusing mainly on in your agenda?
In my agenda, one thing is regarding the academic internships, which we get in our second year or third year, and there is the feedback session which we'll be taking after the semester, right? I want it to be taken in between the semester. That's all.
अच्छा, ऐसा कोई एजेंडा है किसी और कैंडिडेट का जो आपको बहुत अपील किया हो, लाइक आपका फेवरेट एजेंडा अमंग द अदर कैंडिडेट्स?
I cannot say that.
Okay.